everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And today I have another unboxing, well, a reveal for you. Had this for a little while and been kind of putting off showing it, but now it's finally time. Had a lot of things to show you. Like I said, it's my birthday month, promotion month. Not promotion month, I got promoted before this month, but just recently. And so now all the things I bought when I got promoted are showing up. So I do have one thing to show you.
A tape measure.
And my handy dandy tape measure here, because I usually do that when I show you a new bag. Yes, I have a new bag to show you. And the bag came in this dust jacket. This is Gucci.
Open it up and see what's inside.
And I have a problem. You guys all know this. I seem to like to buy duplicates of bags that I really like a lot.
I think that's step one, admitting you have a problem.
This bag, I already have a bag like this.
There's a shock.
I fell in love with this bag and pattern.
So you're cheating on me.
Or like, no, but this whole thing, I just fell in love with it. And at first, I was shocked when I discovered
America?
That not only did they have green, but they had yellow in this. And I thought those were the coolest colors ever.
Until?
And then I saw blue, and I saw pink, so I have some wallets. Because, you know, goodness knows I can't just have that. So, let me get these out here. So I needed something in blue, and I needed something in pink. This has a beautiful red interior here, red leather. And then this, you know, I got to match my green and my yellow. So I had to get this one. This has like a purplish interior. I had seen some of this pattern in a couple spots on SLGs. I did not know it came in this bag. Did not know they did this. And I saw it, and it was just add to cart. They did it in red. I'm not normally a red girl. You can look at my bags. I don't have any red bags up there other than my red Alma that's hiding right there. I'm not normally a red bag girl, but I just thought this was the coolest thing ever. So it's the Marmont. They consider this the small. It has the silver hardware. And then the interior is just...
Must have been one heck of a promotion.
Right? It's got the Gucci paperwork inside. But interior is beautiful. Canvas, white interior. This thing is just like... It's awesome. Let's see. This is number 52 limited edition. I don't know of how many, but this was just the coolest thing ever. So I had to get it. I love the silver hardware. I love this bag. We already know I love this bag because I just showed two of them. The only other bag that is luxury that I have more than one of is the Celine nano totes. Like, oh, I suppose Mulberries. Okay, so I have a few that I have more than one of.
You stand corrected.
But out of Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and Chanel and Hermes, this Gucci is the only one I have multiples of. And yeah, this I guess was a special edition. So I did already a review on those two, but just to give you a little bit of a reminder course on this here, this bag is 10 inches across, and say roughly 7 inches, a little shy of 7 inches from top to bottom. And the bottom here in the widest section is about 2.5. inches. And this fits everything I could need. I love how the strip, you can double it up. You can make it longer that way. And there's even ways if you, well, there's a few different ways. You can do some, you know, tie this chain together to make it even smaller if you wanted like just a top handle. But I think this bag is terrific. After I got this one and bought it, I found another style with this color in it on Fashion File, and I thought maybe I should have gotten that, but no. I love this. I love this that it matches the other two that I have, and I just think this is a great bag. I do have a review of this one, so if you are, you know, the green and the yellow one, if you want to see the review, you can kind of go back in my videos. Otherwise, I will try to leave it at the end of my video as like another thing you can click on to watch and show
like
you. But
linking it below.
Yeah, I guess I can link it below too. Listen to you with the terminology. But yeah, I just think this is incredible. So I just had to show you. I thought it was great. I love this bag. I mean, a lot of my bags are like this style. You know, I got my Dior here. Like, oh, don't even watch that. That
Sir, are you okay?
Sorry. And
Flamingo down.
But, yeah, but I just like this kind of shape, more of like an east-west. So that's what I have for you today. If you have any questions on it, just let me know. You can either watch the video that I'll link below and try to show up here, or if you don't want to watch that and you just have some questions, you know, leave them in the description box for me below. And just comment if you get a chance. I absolutely love when people leave comments. It helps me interact with you and get to know you all a little bit better. I really appreciate all of you that are here. I just love it, and especially as I get to know everybody a little bit more all the time, it's just really fun hearing when you're getting different bags and things like that. I really appreciate it. And if you're not new here, or if you are new here, consider subscribing. Like I said, it's my birthday month. That'd be a nice,
you're gonna milk that sucker for all it's worth, aren't
right?
you?
Right. To say my birthday month, I only get to do it 1 out of every 12 months a year. And no, so it'd be nice if you consider that. You can hit the little bell notification. It notifies you when I put up videos, which is generally twice a week. I put them up on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every once in a while there might be an extra one in between, but generally Wednesdays and Saturdays. If you haven't found me already, I'm also over on Instagram. I'm at James Jam there as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
So what color are you getting next?